Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best refrigerant leak detectors on Amazon. Refrigerant is the backbone of your air conditioning unit. If it leaks, it reduces the performance of the system and eventually damages it. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Elitic Refrigerant Leak Detector. Adjustable and highly sensitive, the Elitic Refrigerant Leak Detector is one handy diagnostic and detection tool. This device can pick up freon leaks and their triggers on all different types of refrigerants, including popular varieties like R22, R134A, R404A, and R410A. It even works on all types of halogenated refrigerants, including HFCs, CFCs, and blends. Reliable and well-rounded, you'll be able to depend on this detector in countless settings. In addition to all of this versatility, the Elitic detector is highly sensitive when it's time to take readings. It delivers results within 3 seconds, and it warms up within 6 seconds. There are 7 different adjustable sensitivity levels to choose from, including the lowest setting of 0.21 ounces per year. Audio and visual alerts help you detect a leak easily. With an overall size of 9.02 into 2.56 into 2.56 inches and a weight of 0.45 pounds, it's also quite light and compact to carry anywhere. Number 2. Inficon TechMate Refrigerant Leak Detector. The Inficon TechMate is one of the most unique electrochemical sensors that can detect all types of refrigerants, including R22, R32, R507, CFCs, HFCs, and their blends. It features infrared sensor technology for accurate readings and operates on heated diode technology with a diode made of a ceramic substrate. Moreover, the gadget is fitted with a flexible probe for easy access to tight spaces. This gadget alerts you of any leaks with its visual and variable intensity audible alarms. It has an LED indicator that lights up when the unit detects a leak, and you can adjust the sensitivity of the gadget to find the exact leaking spot. It also has 2 sensitivity settings, low and high, and the LED light flashes faster when the gadget gets closer to the source of the leak. The unit runs on 2 rechargeable D-alkaline batteries, and the sensor can run for 1,000 hours without draining the battery. This leak detector is ideal for small-scale and industrial use. However, the unit's sensor is highly sensitive and may pick up false readings from the environment. Number 3. Simbo Refrigerant Leak Detector. The Simbo Refrigerant Leak Detector is one of the best options you'll find for halogen refrigerants. Able to detect and alert you to leaks in R11, R500, R134A, R404A, and other varieties, this tool works easily and automatically. With this refrigerant leak detector in hand, you can adjust the sensitivity and even allow it to make changes automatically to suit different testing scenarios. Powered by a precise and ultra-low power consumption circuit, plus 4 AAA batteries, you'll be able to use the tool many times without worrying about power. The internal sensor is also made for high sensitivity and designed to last for a lifetime. If it's extra convenience you want, this detector has it. A dual-color display shows you current battery levels, and the audio and visual alerts ensure you never miss a warning of any leaks. Number 4. Elitic CPU1G Leak Detector. This leak detector is a cutting-edge device designed to detect and locate leaks in HVAC systems quickly. Its primary purpose is to identify the presence of halogen gases, which are commonly used in refrigeration and air conditioning systems. With its advanced technology and user-friendly interface, the Elitic CPU1G offers convenience and accuracy in leak detection. One of the significant advantages of the Elitic CPU1G is its compatibility with various halogen gases used in HVAC systems. Whether you're dealing with R22, R410A, or R134A, this leak detector can accurately detect leaks, making it a versatile tool for professionals working with different refrigerants. By using the Elitic CPU1G, professionals can streamline their troubleshooting process and minimize costly repairs. Number 5. Whale and Morn Freon Leak Detector. This Freon leak detector is a cutting-edge device designed to swiftly detect and locate halogen gas leaks in HVAC systems. Its primary purpose is to identify Freon leaks, which are commonly used in refrigeration and air conditioning systems. Equipped with advanced technology and user-friendly features, the Whale & Morn WJL6000 offers convenience and precision in leak detection. This is designed with user convenience in mind. Its compact size and lightweight nature make it highly portable, allowing HVAC professionals to carry it effortlessly from one location to another. The detector allows users to adjust the sensitivity level to cater to different environments and requirements, ensuring accurate detection, even in challenging conditions. Utilizing a high-quality semiconductor sensor, the Whale & Morn WJL6000 provides real-time response to halogen gas leaks, enabling users to promptly identify and address any issues. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.